How to find the song name in an Instagram reel. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can find the song name in an Instagram reel. The first thing you want to do is open the Instagram app. Now find the reel that has the song you like. Now you want to check at the bottom left corner of your screen, tap on that. You'll see the song name displayed right there. If it says original audio, it means the audio is uploaded by the creator and you might need to search it manually to tap on the song name, and Instagram will take you to the audio page. From here, you can use the same sound. For that, tap on the use audio option. If the song name isn't visible, you can use apps like Google Assistant. Just play the audio and let the app identify the song for you. And that's how you can easily find and save any song from Instagram Reels. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.